Hi, it's Cooper with Daffan Heating and Air Conditioning. I've got a couple tips for you about your heat pump system this winter. As your system runs and tries to heat your home, it's going to develop ice on this outdoor unit at some point, and to get rid of that ice, it's got to go through what's called defrost mode. In defrost mode, you might notice some steam coming up out of here. Don't worry, it's okay, it's not smoke. Don't freak out, don't call the fire department. You also might notice some noises that are a bit unusual to you coming from this unit. It's going to sound a little funky sometimes. That's okay, it's normal operation. But if you happen to have any concerns about anything, don't hesitate to give us a call at 817-279-0582. We are Daffan Mechanical, and we're your home's best friend.